Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making chicken khowsuey. For this here I have taken 1 cup of yogurt, 1 small onion roughly chopped, 3 tablespoons heaped gram flour, 2 tablespoons heaped coconut milk powder. I am using milk powder. If you have liquid milk, you can use that also. 2 sprigs of curry leaves, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric and salt to taste, 2 to 3 green chilies and 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Now here in the blender I will add yogurt. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Along with yogurt, I am adding onion. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Coconut milk powder. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Gram flour. Ginger garlic. And the spices. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now along with all the ingredients I have added 2 cups of water also. Except green chilies and curry leaves, I have added all the ingredients here in the blender. And now I will blend them. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now here I have blended the curry ingredients together and now I will pour this here in the pan. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am adding a cup of more water. 2 cups I have already added. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It depends how saucy curry you want. And along with the sauce I am adding curry leaves. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And green chilies. And now I will cook this till it slightly thickens. Here I have kept this curry on the stove on very low flame. And I will cook this till it slightly thickens. Now meanwhile this curry is cooking, I have to prepare a chicken gravy. And for this here I have taken 1 cup of yogurt and 2 large tomatoes. They are roughly chopped. Now here in the blender I will blend the tomatoes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And yogurt. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will blend them. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here this curry is cooking and here in this pan I have added half cup of oil and now I will make the chicken gravy. And for the chicken gravy here I have blended the 2 large tomatoes and a cup of yogurt, half kilo of boneless chicken, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 2 to 3 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, salt to taste and 1 teaspoon of chili powder. And here I have taken 1 teaspoon of tandoori masala. Now here in the pan I will add ginger garlic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And I will fry it for a minute. Now I have sauteed the ginger and garlic for a minute and now I will add in chicken. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And now I will cook till chicken changes its color. Chicken has changed the color and now I will add in this blended mixture. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Green chilies and all the spices. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Except tandoori masala I have added all the spices and now I will cook this till chicken is tender, moisture evaporates and this masala is dry. Here this chicken is cooked and I have mixed in this tandoori masala and this gravy or curry is ready. And here I have boiled half packet of spaghettis. These are the slims, green chilies, lemon, fried garlic and spring onions. These things are for topping. Now this khowsuey is done. Now here I have added some spaghetti or noodles in the platter, and now I will put this sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I like saucy ones, so I'll add more, and it depends how much you want. I have layered the spaghetti, curry and chicken gravy, and now I will add in this spring onions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Green chilies. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It totally depends on you how much you want. Fried garlic. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. And then last I'll squeeze lemon juice. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The topping is totally depends how much you want, how much it is required. This is done, and now I am adding these slims. The slims are easily available in the market. Very simple and easy, delicious chicken khowsuey is ready to be served. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.